Hey guys, Crypto Sunday, and been a bit of a strange week, but we're in the green. So during war times, I think you have to accept that as not too bad. So we're up about 2,000. Did go sort of drastically higher during the week, and has then come back down, as you can sort of see from the small graph there, or you can see with Bitcoin sort of rising up during the week. So the Ruble volume, if you sort of heard on the news, has been spiking. Not really sure whether this is sort of the oligarchs getting out or sort of the public withdrawing their cash and putting it in Bitcoin. Because they were sort of showing large queues at the sort of ATMs and banks, people trying to withdraw all their money. And not sure whether they're putting that into Bitcoin or not. The sort of news are trying to get the exchanges to ban crypto exchanges from dealing with Russia. And they're sort of saying no at the moment. So it's creating a little bit of negative sentiment. So, yeah, it's sort of risen a little bit during the week and then sort of trailed off. But yeah, on a little bit of slightly more positive news, the sort of football clubs are continuing to sort of get involved. So Man City have signed with OKX or OK Exchange. So quite interesting, nice sponsorship deal. They both sort of made a very complimentary statement about each other. And February as well, Manchester United signed a sponsorship with Tezos. Bit of a strange coin to go with, but there you go. I didn't see whether Barcelona were looking into going with somebody. There were sort of talks of them getting involved with Polkadot. It's sort of the biggest clubs in the world getting involved. I believe they're also involved in Chili's, the sort of sports-based token for sort of, maybe a little side business. So that's interesting. Good to see the sort of larger clubs getting involved. It was sort of, if you know your Premier League, I think it was clubs like Wolves were sort of being sponsored by crypto exchanges. So it's maybe a little bit of a change from betting companies. So we'll see if they carry on. So not huge amounts happening really in the on the crypto portfolio. So Bitcoin sort of went up. Pretty much everything had followed it. As I say, the Bitcoin move seems to be possibly because of Russia. And sort of a little bit of safe haven from the currency, but sort of all the coins did the same and have then come back. Most of them are a little bit harder than Bitcoin, so they're all mostly in the red. Solana is pretty flat. I did put my £500 deposit this week into Solana. That was at about 70, just under £70, so could have timed that a little better, but hardly really matters at these prices. Carrying on with the NFTs, so they're going quite well at the moment. And sort of pretty much everything else is sort of 1 or 2% up or down, so not a huge amount of movement. Stellar down a little bit more than the others. And then sort of the smaller tokens, Boba Network down 11%. Kind of waiting for this to just sort of pop up a little bit, and then I'll probably get rid of it. And then Quantstamp down, Anchor sort of up 7%, and Band up 10%, but it is sort of still in the red for me. £630 loss, or 630 down from what I've paid at the moment. But we'll see. Might just sort of carry on hanging on to that until the bull market. I got rid of the sort of the zero balance coins down below. And yeah, so bit of a quiet week. We'll see what happens sort of in the next few weeks, hoping for some sort of cessation of of sort of wartime, basically. Sort of talks of a ceasefire, but yeah, just hoping this sort of comes to an end, really. So yeah, leave your thoughts in the comments below, and like and subscribe. See you soon.